Hello, this is Eric Walmsley, Systems Engineer with Nutanix, coming at you today with a new video showing you a new feature in Acropolis 5.19. The new feature is the ability to live migrate the vDisks of virtual machines from one storage container to another. Let's go take a look at our virtual machines. If we look at our SQL 01 virtual machine here, we'll see that it has two virtual disks. Those vDisks are actually all on the default storage container. The default storage container has compression and dedupe enabled. I don't want that for this virtual machine, so I created this storage container called DB storage, which only has compression enabled. Let's see how we migrate that virtual machine there. First, you have to SSH to a controller virtual machine. You can either SSH directly to a Nutanix CVM, or you can just go to the Nutanix virtual IP address for the cluster. Once there, go to the ACLI and input the command vm.update_container, then the name of the virtual machine, in my instance it's SQL 01, then container equals, and the name of the storage container you want to migrate to. So for here, we're moving SQL 01 to the DB storage container. Then press enter. At this point, the virtual machine is being migrated to the DB storage container. If we go back to Prism, you can actually see that a task has been created to change the disk container. You'll want to wait for this task to complete before doing anything else to the VM. Once the task is complete, you'll notice over at the command line that has gone back to the command prompt. If I click on the default storage container, you'll see that my SQL 01 vDisk no longer show up here. If we click on the DB storage container, you'll see that both vDisks appear under DB storage. And that's how you can successfully live migrate a virtual machine's vDisks from one storage container to another. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.